Today, let's make rendang, but not just any rendang. Let's make Nyonya Rendang. It's rich, it's herbaceous, perfumed with lime leaf. Definitely something you have to try this Hari Raya. Alright, so today kita akan masak one of the must-haves during Hari Raya, which is rendang. And the beautiful thing about Malaysian rendang is that from north all the way down to the south, setiap keluarga ada variasi rendangnya sendiri. Alright, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the rendang recipes or variation yang memang we don't get to see very often, which is rendang nyonya. Alright, first of all, what we need to do, marinate the chicken. Perapkan ayam dengan sedikit garam. Next up, what we're going to do is sediakan dia punya rempah. So now, bila kita dah siap kita punya rempah, kita boleh mulakan dengan memasak. Alright, now all that water in the rempah has evaporated and kita punya rempah pun dah pecah minyak. Now we can masukkan the ayam. So flavorful. I guess the biggest difference between the rendang and a nyonya rendang is that a nyonya rendang is a lot more herbaceous, yeah. And the perfuming agent, it's not from daun kunyit. It doesn't use turmeric leaves, but more uses the lime leaf, which are more commonly used in peranakan cooking. And the other tip is always try and use kampung chicken or free-range chicken, because the free-range chicken holds together a lot better compared to your regular chicken, as a rendang takes time to cook. Dia akan pecah-pecah. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you did, please do click the like and subscribe button. Not forgetting, a huge shout out to Saji, our main sponsor for this episode. Thank you so much. Now, this is a recipe I hope you give it a try if you're one of those like me that just want to find different variations of rendang. And I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Selamat Hari Raya guys. Peace.